Hello, Coach Bell here. It's day 4, building your one-page ebook outline with Bell Style plus ChatGPT Magic. Our goal for today, matutunan mo kung paano gumawa ng simple pero strategic outline using the Bell method answers plus ChatGPT prompts para pagdating sa writing phase, guided ka na at hindi overwhelmed. We will build your one-page outline at ito ang backbone ng buong ebook mo. Kahapon, day 3, pinili na natin ang winning ebook topic and working title mo, aligned sa kwento mo at may market potential. Ngayon naman, gagawin natin siyang outline para hindi ka ma-stuck pagdating sa pagsusulat. And don't worry, you won't build this outline from scratch. Gagamitin natin ang Bell worksheet mo plus ChatGPT para mabilis kang makabuo ng structure. Sabi nga nila, a clear outline is the roadmap to a finished book. Alright, so let's go. Meron akong batchmate, si Tita Marites, 52 years old and never nakasulat ng article, much less ebook. Sabi niya, Facebook post nga lang daw usually. Pero may life experience siya, paano siya nakaipon ng 100,000 from selling ukay on Facebook. Nung first week ng training namin, sabi niya, Coach, kaya ko ba talagang gumawa ng outline? Parang ang hirap. Sabi ni mentor, kaya mo. Basta sundan mo lang yung one-page formula natin plus gamitin yung flow. Okay? And then nagulat siya, in 45 minutes, tapos na niya ang outline. My story, how she started, and nandun yung why it didn't work, what finally worked, and how she can start, or how you can start. Sobrang simple yung mga parts or yung chapter. Parang grade 6 level daw, sabi niya. Pero guess what? In 2 months, she was able to sell 80 plus copies ng ebook niya. Kasi klaro ang value and relatable yung flow. So ano yung lesson dito? Hindi kailangan complicated ang outline mo. Mas importante na may story, may value, at may actionable tips. Now, kung newbie ka or first-timer, aim for clarity, not complexity. Remember that. At ang goal natin, easy to read, easy to buy. Let's start with step 1, ChatGPT outline prompt. Let's start by generating your basic outline using ChatGPT. Ito yung sample prompt na proven helpful for our students. Okay? This is the prompt. I want to write an ebook title, then insert your title. Give me a simple 5-part outline that includes story plus how-to plus tips. Make it easy to read and beginner-friendly. Alright? So, ito yung example natin. Title is From Failures to License, My Board Exam Survival. And this is the sample output from ChatGPT. My story, ito yung 5-part na generated ni ChatGPT. Part 1, my story, which is failing 3 times. Part 2, or chapter 2, the turning point. Chapter 3, the strategy that worked. Chapter 4, mental and emotional prep. And chapter 5, tips for repeat takers. Alright? So, if hindi ka satisfied sa initial output, just tweak your prompt. Halimbawa, pwede mo itong ipang follow through. Give me 5 variations of this outline. Okay? And you can also ask, make this outline more story-driven. Or kung hindi ka pa rin satisfied, ito yung gagamitin mo pang sunod na prompt. Add a beginner-friendly tone and more actionable tips. Okay? Pwede mo na rin silang i-combine into one long prompt. Now, kapag mas maraming outline variations ka, mas may mapagpipilian kang flow na swak sa style mo. Okay ba yun? Now, let's go to step 2, apply the Bell touch. Okay, Bell here means breakthrough, experience, and lesson. Your outline should follow the Bell energy. Okay, say for example, ito yung flow. For your section, breakthrough, which is the B in your Bell flow, breakthrough. And then the purpose is, ikwento mo yung moment na nagbago lahat. Start ng story mo yan. Okay? Next section is for E, experience. And then ang purpose natin dito is to share what you tried, to share what failed, and to to share what worked. Okay? And then the last one is lesson under your bell flow. L for lesson. And the purpose is to give concrete steps, takeaways, and action items. So kahit anong outline ni ChatGPT, tweak it with this lens. Una, may story ba? Pangalawa, may personal voice. Pangatlo, may lesson or guide for the reader. Now, if yes, proceed tayo. If may kulang pa, adjust using Bell style. Okay? O, punta tayo sa step 3. Turn into a one-page system. Now, rewrite your outline in this one-page format. Okay? So, for example, title, From Failures to License. Ang expected readers mo ay board exam takers na po pwedeng mga nakadalawa o pang-apat na times na. Alright, for your chapter 1, it can be like my exam journey. Ang summary niya is how I failed 3 times. Ang bell style mo is breakthrough, under breakthrough. Chapter 2 is the shift. Ang summary can be like what changed in my mindset. And then your bell flow, it falls under experience, your letter E, experience. And then chapter 3, the plan. Okay, and the summary goes like study schedule plus tools I use. And it falls under Bell method letter E, which is lesson. And then for chapter 4, staying strong. Ang summary niya is like how I manage stress plus pressure. And the Bell flow is under lesson. Okay? And then chapter 5, got this, you got this. Ang summary niya is all about tips for repeat takers. And this is under L lesson. So, one glance lang, kita mo agad ang flow ng kwento at value. This also becomes your guide sa writing pace natin. Gets ba? And for today's task, your task today, number 1, use ChatGPT to create an outline. Number 2, apply your bell lens. And then number 3, lay it out using the one-page format. And then number 4, submit in the tracker or post it in your tracker for a quick review. Alright? So once this is locked in, sobrang dali na ng writing flow mo. Promise. And also, I'll be sending attachment for you. This includes a one-page outline template in Google Doc, the chat GPT prompt that we have just used for outlining, and then sample completed outlines. Okay, congrats! You have now your one-page outline. This is the soul of your book. Next up, sa day 5, ipapakita ko kung paano mo naman maiiwasan ang blank page anxiety. Then, gagamit tayo doon ng writing prompts plus story blocks para sa unang draft mo. Push lang tayo ha. Kaya mo to. Let's go.